students. So last session I had taken about the matrices addition and its properties, that is associative property. Based on that I had taken the problem. So now multiplication also I have explained. Based on that now I will take the problems regarding multiplication. So that is also important for your examination. So take down the question. So it's a second problem. If A is equal to, first row 1 1 1 1 minus 1. If A is equal to first row 1 1 minus 1, second row 2 0 3, third row 3 minus 1 2. This is your A matrix. Next, B is equal to first row 1 3, B is equal to matrix first row 1 3, second row 0 2, third row minus 1 4. We will take 0 2 minus 1 4. C is equal to matrix first row 1 2 3 minus 4. Next, this we will take 2 0 minus 2 1. So question is verify that A of BC is equal to AB of C. So this was our question. Verify that A of BC is equal to AB of C. Now we will have the solution. So what is our LHS part? As like previous case, that was addition, now here it's multiplication. So first of all, LHS is BC, bracket elements you have to equate. BC is equal to, B value is 1302 minus 1 4 is multiplied with 1 2 3 minus 4 2 0 minus 2 1. 2 0 minus 2 1. How the notation they are given? Like that only you have to substitute. First B value, then C value. Is it multiplication exist or not? Check it out. First row, second row, third row. 3 cross 2, 2 cross 4. This row columns are same. Therefore multiplication is possible. Now multiply row with the column. As in the previous session I explained how to multiply. 1 into 1 plus 3 into 2. First row, first column over. Next, 1 into 2 plus 3 into 0. Next, 1 into 3 plus 3 into minus 2. Plus, next 1 into minus 4, not plus, sorry. Next, 1 into minus 4 plus 3 into 1. This is first row, all the 4 columns over. Now second row, all the 4 columns. 0 into 1 plus 2 into 2. Next will be 0 into 2 plus 2 into 0. Next second row, third one, 0 into 3 plus 2 into minus 2. Next will be 0 into minus 4 plus 2 into 1. Next, third one, minus 1 into 1 plus 4 into 2. Next, minus 1 into 2 plus 4 into 0. Next one, minus 1 into 3 plus 4 into minus 2. Next one, minus 1 into minus 4 plus 4 into 1. So this is about the multiplication. Now we will write the further step. Okay. So multiply first row, first column, first row, second column, first row, third column, first row, fourth column, second row, first, second row, second column, second row, third column, and all those things. Now further simplification. So what is further simplification means like this. So 1 1s are 1 plus 3 2s are 6. So for this part 1 2s are 2 plus 3 into 0 0. Next one 1 3s are 3 plus into minus minus 3 2s are 6. Next will be 1 into minus 4 plus 3 1s are 3. Next this will be 0 into 1 0 plus 2 2s are 4. Next 0 into 2 0 plus 2 into 0 0. Any number multiplied with 0 means 0. 0 into 3 0 plus into minus minus 2 2s are 4. This is 0, this is plus 2. Next coming to the third row, minus 1 plus 8. Now this will be minus 2 plus 0. Next that will be minus 3 minus 8. Next 4 minus into minus plus plus 4. So this is about the multiplication and addition. So now add it. So when you add it, this will become 6 plus 1 7, this is 2, this is minus 3, this is minus 1. Okay. Next 4, this is 0, minus 4, 2. Next will be 7 minus 2 minus 11, this is 8. This is your B cross C. Sorry, not B cross C, B into C. Okay. Now what was the notation of LHS? It's of A of BC. So write down A of BC. What is A? How the notation is there? Like that only you have to take. First we will write BC, then multiplied with A means it's not possible because orders you don't have the corresponding elements. Row will not coincide with the column. A value is 1 1 minus 1, 2 0 3, 3 minus 1 2. According to the notation, first you have to write A value, I have written. Now BC, this is BC. 7 2 minus 3 minus 1, 7 2 minus 3 minus 1, this is 4 0 minus 4 2. Next will be 7 minus 2 minus 11 8. So again check it out, is it multiplication exist or not? How to check it out? Write down the order. This is of 1 2 3, 3 rows 3 columns. This is 1 2 3, 3 rows 4 columns. These two coincide. So now take a arrow mark, row is multiplied with column. 1 into 7 plus 1 into 4 plus minus 1 into 7. This row elements with this column. Next leave some space, move to the second column. 1 into 2 plus 1 into 0 plus minus 1 into 2. Minus 1 into, this is minus 2, sorry. Minus 1 into minus 2. Next third with 1 into minus 3, I will write directly. 1 into minus 3 minus 3. 1 into minus 4 minus 4. This is minus 1 into minus, it's a plus 11. Next fourth one, 1 into minus 1 minus 1. Next 1 into 2 2. Next it's a minus 8. Multiply. If you are not getting that directly means like this you multiply and write, but I written directly. So next 2 into 7 I will write 14 directly. 0 into 4 0. 3 into 7 20. Next similarly 2 into 2 4. 0 into 0 0. So 3 into minus 2 minus 6. So next will be 2 into minus 3 minus 6. So 0 into minus 4 0. So 3 into minus 11 minus 33. So 2 into minus 1 minus 2. 0 into 2 0. 3 8s are 24. So next about the third row, 3 7s are 21 minus 4 plus 14. Row with the column you just take, row with column, arrow mark I have shown. 3 2s are 6. So it's a 0. 2 into minus 2 minus 4. So 3 into minus 3 minus 9 plus minus into minus plus 1 into 4 4. So 2 into minus 11 minus 22. Next last 3 into minus 1 minus 3, plus into minus minus 2. So plus 8 2 is 16. So this is about multiplication. So now we will simplify and write. So this was 7 ones are 7, this is minus 7, plus 7 minus 7 cancel, so it remained as only 4. Now this will be 2 and this is plus 2, it means it is also 4. So this is minus 4 minus 3 minus 7, minus 7 plus 4 11, it is a 4 again. And this was 2 minus 1 1, 1 minus 8 is minus 7. So addition, you know that this is 14 plus 21, this is 5 and this is 6, sorry this is 5 and this is 35. A of BC we are taking, it is a 35. Next this will be minus 2, this is minus 33 minus 6 minus 39. So 24 minus 2 it is a 22. This one 14 minus 4 will be 10, 10 plus 21 means it is a 31. So this is 6 minus 4 means 2. Next minus 22 minus 9 will be minus 31, minus 31 plus 4, minus 31 plus 4, it is a minus 27. So next will be 16 minus 5. How much? 11. It's a 11. So just check it out. Addition. Okay. So this was your equation 1. So similarly, now what was our RHS? Our RHS was, this is A of BC, next it was AB of C. So now first of all multiply AB. AB means how much? It's a 1 1 minus 1, 2 0 3, 3 minus 1 2 is multiplied with 1 3 0 2 minus 1 4. So row with the column. When you multiply, I will write directly 1 into 1 1 plus 1 into 0 0. So minus 1 into minus 1 plus 1. So this is 1 into 3 3. So 1 into 2 is 2. This is minus 4. So next second row 2 ones are 2 plus 0 into 0 0 plus into minus minus 3 ones are 3. Next 2 into 3 6, 0 into 2 0, 3 into 4 12. So 3 into 1 it's a 3 plus into minus, this is 0, this is 2 into minus 2, this is 3 3s are 9 minus 2 plus 8. Okay. So therefore this implies this is 2, this is 3 plus 2 5, 5 minus 4 1, this is 2 minus 3 minus 1. So this is 12 plus 6, it was 18. So 3 minus 2 you are going to get 1. Next this was 9 minus 2 is 7, 7 plus 8 it's a 15. You can check it out. Check it out. Right? Now, therefore, what was our question? AB of C it was there, RHS part. So, AB question is, values are here 2 1 minus 1 18, 1 15 is multiplied with C value 1 2 3 minus 4, 2 0 minus 2 1. Row with the column. So, when you multiply 2 1s are 2, again 1 2s are 2, this was 2 2s are 4, this is 1 plus 0, this is 2 3s are 6, next minus 2, this was 2 into minus 4, it was a minus 8 plus 1. So next will be minus 1 into 1, minus 1, 18 2s are 26. 26 or 36, 2 8s are 16, it's a 36, sorry. So minus 2 plus 0, this is minus 3 plus into minus, minus 18 2s are 36. So this is minus 1 into minus 4, it's a plus 4. So 18 1s are 18. So 1 1s are 1 plus 15 2s are 30. This was 1 2s are 2 plus 0. So 1 3s are 3 minus 30. So last one minus 20 minus 4 plus 50. So on simplification, this implies 4 4 4 minus 7. This was 35. This is minus 2. This is minus 39. 18 plus 4, it was 22. This was 31. This was 2. This is minus 27. This was 11. Simplify this one. 4. I written 4. This is 4 minus 8 plus 1. So now check it out. From equation 1 and 2, the values are same. You can check it out. The same matrix we have got. Okay. Therefore, from 1 and 2, AB of C is equal to A of BC. This is associative law in case of matrix multiplication. Remember, matrix multiplication is not commutative. It means AB is not equal to BA. The commutative law does not holds good. Okay. So this is about the important problem. So you take this one as 5 mark. So this is about the important problems whatever I had taken. Next, some other problems are there that we will solve in case of extra problems at the end of the chapter. Now coming to the next heading, transpose of a matrix. Next heading was the transpose of a matrix. I will write here transpose of a matrix. So what is a transpose of a matrix means, if you are having a matrix A, this is your matrix of order 2 cross 2. So this is 1 3 is present in first row, but according to the transpose definition, A dash you have to take for the transpose notation. Its notation is dash. So the row will be converted to column, and 4 5 is in second row, you have to write for second column 2 cross 2 again. Okay. So what is transpose of a matrix? By taking the example, row we have written in form of column, second row will be in the form of second column. It means the definition will become a matrix in which rows and columns are interchanged. I will write the definition. It's easy. Rows will be converted to column, second row will be second column. Write down the definition. A matrix in which rows and columns are interchanged, then such a matrix is called transpose. Its notation is A dash. So example we will take. Example, capital A is equal to 1 3 5, second row 2 6 9. This was your matrix. What was the order? 1 row 2 row, 2 cross 3. Check it out. Right. Now according to the definition, rows to be converted to columns, columns to be rows. A dash. The notation of this transpose is A dash. So what is our row? Row elements was 1, 3, 5. Now it will be converted to column, means you are going to write vertical. Now 2, 6, 9, it was horizontally, you are going to write vertical. Now what was your order? It's a reverse. 1, 2, 3. It was 2 cross 3 means it was 3 cross 2. Orders are also changed. So 1, 2, 3, 2 cross 3 means 3 cross 2. Orders are also changed. Row will be column, row will be column. So this is about transpose of a matrix. Some properties are also there. So properties of transpose of a matrix. So there are 4 properties are there. We will take one by one. What is our first property? A dash of whole dash is equal to A. Means what? I'll explain with the example. If you are having a matrix A, this is your matrix. Now when you taken the transpose, again if you are taken the transpose, the matrix will be back. So if I taken, this is our assumption, let. Next if I taken the transpose, so according to this notation, always brackets elements to be equated first. So this is 1, 2 will be treated in first column. This is 3, 4 will be treated in second column. Now again A dash of whole dash according to the property. So means whatever the transpose you have taken, again you have to take transpose. So 1, 3 will be in a row, now it will become column 1, 3. Now 2, 4 is in a second row, it will become second column. Now check it out, is it the same question? Yes, it is was a A. So A dash of whole dash is equal to A. Transpose of a transpose. What is the meaning of this? Transpose of a transpose will be the given original matrix. Next second property. So second property. What is second property means? Ka whole dash is equal to K into A dash. So where K is any scalar. If you want to write K is any scalar. So I will take this one property with the proof as an example. I will take example. Let us consider, let A is equal to 1, 1, 2, 3. Some matrix. Assumption. Now coming to the LHS part, Ka. First of all you have to take bracket elements. Ka multiply K to the whole matrix K. This was 2K and this was 3K. Now what is LHS part? It was a Ka whole dash. It was Ka whole dash. So this row will be converted as column. This was 2K into 3K. Call it equation 1. Now again RHS part. What is RHS? K into A dash. So write K as it is. You are having A dash in the bracket. So A dash means this was your A. 1, 1 is in present in row. Now write here column. 2, 3 write here in second column. So multiply throughout the K inside. K, 2K, K, 3K. Now call this one as equation 2. Now check it out. Is it 1 and 2 are same? Yes, the elements are same. It means Ka whole dash is equal to K into A dash. The transpose will not come for any scalar. It's come only for a matrix. Remember, it's very important. But in your competitive examination, the option will be K dash into A dash also will be there. But you have to tick only for K into A dash because the complement is not there for scalar. Third property. Third and fourth properties are important. Based on that we are having the problem. First I will write the properties, then problems we are going to face. What is third property means? A plus or minus B whole dash is equal to A dash plus or minus B dash. Means what? A plus B whole dash is equal to A dash plus B dash, or A minus B whole dash is equal to A dash minus B dash. Fourth property, it is very much important. AB whole dash is equal to B dash into A dash. You have to read from the second part. First read the B element first, then A element. So based on this we are having the problems. Okay. These are the properties of a transpose of a matrix. So take down the first problem. First we will have for the addition. If A is equal to, if A is equal to minus 1, 2, 3. So put star mark. Third property verified is if A is equal to first row minus 1, 2, 3, second row 5, 7, 9. So we will take third one as minus 2, 1, 1. Okay. Next B is equal to, we will take minus 4, 1, minus 5. I will take order same because I am dealing with the third property as the addition property. Write down minus 4, 1, minus 5. Okay. Second row 1, 2, 0. And this I will take 1, 3, 1. Now the third property was verify that A plus B whole dash is equal to A dash plus B dash. We will check it out. Is it verified or not? Copy down the question. Okay. So take first of all what we are going to take? We are going to take A plus B. Solution. LHS A plus B. So A value is minus 1, 2, 3, 5, 7, 9, minus 2, 1, 1 plus minus 4, 1, minus 5, 1, 2, 0, 1, 3, 1. So addition is possible. In the last session I have said that the addition is possible only orders are same. When orders are same, the corresponding elements to be added. Minus 1, minus 4 is minus 1, minus 4 is minus 5, 2 plus 1, 3, 3 minus 5, 2. So 5 plus 1, 6, 7 plus 2, 9, this is also 9. This is minus 1, this is 4, this is 2. Okay. Now take A plus B whole dash. Minus 5, 3, minus 2, 6, 9, 9. Minus 1, 4, 2. Call it equation 1. Next you take A dash plus B dash. A dash plus B dash. What is your A dash? Minus 1, 2, 3. Row will be called minus 1, 2, 3, 5, 7, 9. So minus 2, 1 plus B dash. What is B dash? Minus 4, 1, minus 5. So 1, 2, 0. This was 1, 3, 1. Add it. Minus 5, 6, minus 1. This is 3, 9, 4. Okay. Minus 2, 9, 2. Check it out. I think 192 matrix values are same. So from 192 we can call that the third transpose property is also very fine. So next one I will take fourth one. Fourth last property we will take. In this session I will take up to transpose. In the next session I will take the symmetric and skew symmetric matrices. So now you take the fourth one, fourth property problems. if A is equal to 1 minus 4 3, if A is equal to 1 minus 4 3 and this one is B is equal to minus 1 2 1, you take 1 minus 4 3, B is equal to minus 1 2 1. Now verify. What was our verify fourth property? AB whole dash is equal to B dash into A dash. As I said, you had to read from the left. Is it verified or not? That we will check it out. Solution. So LHS part was AB whole dash. So first of all you take AB. A value is 1 minus 4 3 is multiplied with minus 1 2 1. Row with the column. Multiplication you know. So this was 1 into minus 1 minus 1. Don't take the plus because here one more element is not there. If it is there, you have to take plus. Now move to the second. 1 2s are 2. 1 into 1 1. This is minus into minus plus. This is minus 8. This is minus 4. This was minus 3. This is 6 and this is 3. This was AB, but according to our data it was AB whole dash. AB whole dash. So you know that what is transpose? Row will be converted to column. Minus 1 2 1, write vertically. Next this one 4 minus 8 minus 4. Next this one minus 3 6 3. Call it 1. Now we will move on with the RHS part. So write here RHS. B dash into A dash, but we are having only B, convert into B dash. This row will be converted to column. Minus 1 2 1. A dash, it was a column, convert into row. Multiply row with the column because it's a multiplication. Minus 1, so it was a 4, it is a minus 3. So 2 1s are 2, it is a minus 8, it was 2 3s are 6. 1 1s are 1, this is minus 4 and this was 3. Now check it out, 1 9 2 matrices are same. 1 9 2 matrices are same. Is it same? Therefore from 1 9 2 we can conclude AB whole dash is equal to B dash into A dash and take star mark. It is a 5 marks question. 1 row 1 column. It's too easy. Within 2 minutes we can solve this problem if you know the multiplication. Yes, this is repeated so many times. It is an important problem. So today we have studied about the multiplication associative problem and transpose of a matrix and its properties. And in the next class we are going to deal about the symmetric and skew symmetric matrices. That is also one of the type of matrices. What are symmetric matrices, what are skew symmetric matrices, and the problems based on that. Okay, thank you.